Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I love the flowering maples. The flowering maples are Abutilons, and of course they get their common name of flowering maples because they're flowering most prominently and the leaves are somewhat maple shaped, at least a shape that we associate with many maples. But they are not at all related to maples, and if you splay open the flowers, you see that they are, well, you're probably realizing they're a hibiscus relative. So same family as hibiscus, has those 5 petals. The column where the many stamens, these yellow-tipped structures up at the top, are fused to the style, the stem of the stigma. I hope I'm getting these botanical terms correct. And then at the very tip is the stigma, the part of the female part of the flower that accepts the pollen. And Lord, a hummingbird has just alighted to the backside of the plant. It probably won't visit the flowers since we're right here, but this is a plant that hummingbirds like. The pennant flowers are no problem for the hummingbirds to visit. And it's in full bloom in the middle of May, and it will be in bloom pretty much up till frost in the fall. They are happiest in a site that is not hot sun all day, but half sun. This gets a bit of direct sun in the morning. It faces east and then is bright shade the rest of the day. You know, this plant will get bigger over the course of the summer and just have more flowers. And I don't even know if I ever mentioned the cultivar name. This is our introduction, and the cultivar is Twister, because the flowers sort of have, the petals are sort of twisted on them. You know, you see that in a couple of the petals down below. But easy garden plant for average soil, half-day sun or bright shades location, and really so satisfying in the garden. Not all Abutilons are winter hardy. This one has been in this location since 2009, if I'm reading that correct. So it's gone through quite a few winters and been reliably winter hardy in what it is now a zone 8A, the one step warmer than 7B. So great plant. I thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.